Welcome to this sacred space, a portal of light, remembrance and sovereign truth. I am Katerina Kostaki, El Nayara, a guardian soul, a voice from the cosmic remembrance carried within us all. Here I share messages, prayers, invocations, and visions for souls walking through the shifting timeline. We are more than witnesses to the hidden battles above us. We are grid keepers, timeline restorers, dreamers, and awakeners. Each video is a ripple and encoded key, carrying light back into the cracks of this world, weaving new paths where the old ones fell. This channel, the Academy of Inner Channel, is a living altar for those who feel the unseen war but choose light, for those reclaiming their power, gifts and truth, for every soul ready to say, I stand sovereign, I remember, I create. Take what resonates, speak it aloud, anchor it on your own field, and if these words find you, it means you too hold a piece of the grid. So it is, so it is, so it is. Katerina Kostaki, El Nayara, www.academyofinnerlight.net